How to redeem Sephora gift card on app. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily redeem your Sephora gift card on the app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial, and if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to be notified when we upload new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. So open your Sephora app. Now in the top right corner, tap on your bag. Now here scroll down and here you will see add promo or reward code. So tap on it. Enter here the promo code and here on the top right tap on apply. So this is how you can redeem your Sephora gift card on the app. Thanks for watching.